said I was getting way too cocky. She waited till I was gone. She packed from dusk till dawn.